Welcome! In front of me I have Vivax Lifefit Hero Kids smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen until you find the settings icon. So keep swiping, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down, and at the bottom you should see the vibration option. Tap on it, and here we can swipe up and down to scroll through the different vibration levels. We have from 0 to 3. If you select 0, of course, the vibration will be disabled. If you select 3, it's gonna be the strongest. Select the one you like, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. And that's how you change the vibration intensity on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.